Hello everybody, my name is Alan Loy. The rework of the partition will demonstrate into the law of 11. The law of 1143-53246 is a transson of the program to InDesign the data core. The data core is 3P6P1529 in the core. This one is a transformation of a formula before you hire me into the element of design for the protocol. The protocol is network 10 in relation to the subject. Any subject in relation to the door is 1143-4329-6342 interlay of technology before there is one. If there is one based upon the evolution of time is pre-Prisna, the food processor. The food processor will be 1143-3943 for the planet Earth based upon the evolution of time. If there is one based upon the evolution of time, the transson will reprogram itself into the police. This King Kong is lice in relation to the Treskama. The Treskama of the border will relearn itself into the oil. Any oil in relation to the third subject will formulate into one by the transmission. The transmission of the program will rework itself into the oil. Any oil in relation to the subject, it will repin itself into data core of technology. The data core of technology will be 1P6P15 in relation to the aura. This transson is the third program of the alignment of time for the fifth moon. The fifth moon is Tatama. This is Mars. The equilibrium is a transson of a program to rewire itself into the evolution of time by the position of the army. In that day 10, it is the evolution of time for the transcode. The transcode system will formulate into one based upon the formula 2324, which is the Palangang. The Palangang is the teskama of law based upon the element of law by the border. Any border in that way it is confluence. The confluence of technology will pin out the corrects of realignment of time. The spirit of the sun will plissakan the law based upon the element of law by the border. In so, if there is one based upon the evolution of time, the transson will reprogram itself into the doors to heaven. The machine is 1 on 3, 6 on 3, and 5 on 3 by the border. In relation to the testament of law, based upon the element of law by the border, it is the fifth moon for demonstration. This is the testament of Lingam, design day 10.